Hi everyone, the inventor of the automobile will be giving an outlook on the sustainable mobility of the future. With the Mercedes-Benz VISION AVTR, the VISION AVTR is the result of unprecedented global partnership between Mercedes-Benz and the Aviator films. And now it's time for you to look at this amazing concept.
In this spectacular show car, we call it AVTR, Advanced Vehicle Transformation.
Well, for us as designers, it's a dream come true, doing a car that is actually inspired by a sci-fi or fantasy movie like Avatar, and also to pick up on the deeper meaning of the sustainable message of that movie. And therefore we created something that is super in harmony with nature, and actually a thing that merges car and driver into almost a living organism.
We show the vision of tomorrow's next big thing, our show car VISION AVTR, Advanced Vehicle Transformation. And we are very proud of our show car because it shows a glimpse of a new interpretation of a new era of mobility. In addition to this, the visitor can see our all-electric EQC and as well our show car VISION EQS.
Created something that is super in harmony with nature, and actually a thing that merges car and driver into almost a living organism. With this element, actually you feel it going up and down like a heartbeat, like a breathing. So actually that thing comes alive and then it wakes up the entire car. And so we're actually merging a physical drive with a virtual experience, bringing you onto the world of Pandora, but also showing the beauty of our planet Earth.
What do you think about it? Don't forget to leave your comment and like, share and subscribe our channel to get more videos.